morning, everyone. Today it's January
18.
Yeah, January 18, Friday. Current time it's 11:06 in the morning. And today we're going to have brunch. Daddy is not going to have because he already ate. So I'm going to talk about my breakfast. My breakfast is bacon, hash brown, toast, and
Turkey ham.
Turkey ham. Why don't you tell what's yours, Mommy?
Mine is Japanese omelette. Inside it has smoked turkey ham, seaweed, carrots, cheese, and then here I have toast and hash brown. For my coffee, I have hazelnut latte.
I want Milo too.
Gagawa muna kita ng Milo, okay? Just continue eating. Sige, kain! I'm here in the kitchen. I'm just going to do a quick grocery haul. We have bread, yung hotdog bun, yung brioche loaf. Tapos here we have apples, onion, red onion, and then dito naman pineapple slices. Tapos Ariel na laundry detergent. Here we have chicken quarters with chicken legs, whole chicken. And then dito naman sa plastic na to we have yung Arizona. Nag-iisang Arizona. Sabi ni Ala, ito na lang daw yung natitira. Mabilis to kasi maubos eh. This is the green tea with ginseng and honey. Pineapple juice. Dole from the Philippines. Ilan na nakuha niya? Tatlo. Gourmet bagoong. This is the one with tomato sauce. And this one naman is with garlic. Blue Elephant Royal Thai Cuisine Thai Premium Paste Green Curry. We have apple cider vinegar. This one is pickled relish. This is organic apple cider vinegar all natural drink. Dito naman we have, what's this? Organic eggs, chili, red chili, garlic. Then here we have banana. Tapos si Alan bumili rin ng fish, yung kingfish, tsaka
red snapper.
Ay, red snapper pala, tsaka bumili rin siya ng sea crab. Yun lang. Sige. Later. Alis kami ni Brent, susunduin kami ni Jamie kasama ng anak ng si Jihoon. Pupunta kami sa bahay nila Carmela para mag-playdate sila. Hence, the very casual outfit. My jacket is from Zara. I forgot kung anong tawag dito sa jacket na to. I've had this for a very long time, but this is how it looks like. And may hood siya. Kasi sandstorm pa rin, kaya ganito rin yung suot ko to protect myself from the dust. My jumper crochet top or knitted top from H&M. Ito yung distress. Ayan yung may parang may mga putas-putas siya. I like it so much. And then my jogger pants from Uniqlo. I bought this from the Philippines. My shoes, the Adidas Superstar. Ito yung color pink, yung stripes niya. My bag is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in, is this the Amaranth? Yeah, this is the Amaranth. I've had this for a long time na rin. 4 or 5 years na din. And still looks new. I love it so much. Very durable siya. You could dress it up or dress it down. Yeah, I think perfectly matches my outfit. My jewelries, yung necklace na binigay sa akin ni Alan nung Christmas, yung intertwined hearts. Tapos, my diamond rings, my golden South Sea pearl earrings. And then ito, I bought this from Swarovski. On sale to. Original price ito was 50 KD. And then I got this only for, I think, 30 KD. Don't know kung ongoing pa rin yung sale nila. Ang dami ko na nasabi. Malapit na dumating si La Jamie. Si Alan iwan lang dito sa bahay. 2 hours lang naman kami doon. Hindi kami magtatagal kasi nga, sandstorm. Gusto lang namin bisitahin si Massimo tsaka si Carmela. Yeah. Sige, vlog na lang ako later. The 3 of them already. Jihoon, Brent, and Massimo.
Okay, now I can see your handsome face.
brought donuts, eclairs. Now we're having coffee. We're just waiting for Carmela to finish drying her hair. We're in her kitchen.
That's good. I didn't bring Gia. What? I didn't bring Gia. Please. Outside.
Want to come in a ride? Me, please. Me. Okay.
Because for me, if my friends will come, I cannot hear you. Very nice. When our friends will come, always friends don't preparing. And if I will come here, no, get out of the kitchen. So jealous. And then just go there and talk to them. Like, I said, okay. If, for example, my friend will come here also. All this, how we cook, I will just put it. Yes. Like for us Filipinos, it's okay for us. We enjoyed like that. I said, next time, please, you invite your friends and make the table presentable.
No, for Carmela?
For me, no. It's the,
It's fine. Just put it on the table, it's fine. But for Fred, he will put the tablecloth. He will put the placemat.
You're very particular, especially with the table.
You know how I stressful.
Yes, I must. We're home now. There's Alan. Say hi. Ayaw niyo magpakita. Hindi namin sa bahay. Siguro nakarating kami mga around before 7 naman, no? Kanina pa ako. Kanina pa kami nandito. Ang lamig sa labas. Sobra. Di ba nag-sandstorm? What?
Mommy, when Luna pooped, I think one of the cats, they moved the poop, and it's like this.
Sila na pinag-uusapan yung pupo ni Luna. Wait lang. Here in Brent's messy room. Messy room kasi, ayan, papakita ko yung tinatago ko sa likod. Nilaban ko na yan, tutupiin ko na lang. Anyways, tapos ko lang edit yung vlog ko for today and I noticed na maiksi lang siya. Mga 9 minutes lang. Hindi naman ako masyadong nag-vlog kila Carms kasi nga, diba, we're catching up. And si Jamie tsaka si Carmela, they are getting to know each other. Very distracting naman kung, alam mo yung mag-vlog ako. And also, the kids are enjoying their play date nung time na yun. Ayoko naman silang isorbohin. Masaya naman yung play date nyo kanina, Brent.
Yeah.
We had fun. O nga pala, may binigay si Carms sa kanya. Pakita mo yung pinagay sa'yo ni Tita Carms.
Oh, there's one that I already opened.
Binigyan siya nung kulang niya na, ano to?
Figures.
Buildable figure. Ito. Boba?
Yeah, Boba.
Kasi Boba Fett. Ito yun na lang yung kulang niya.
And I have a double.
Yeah, double. Yung isa binuksan na niya. Ito, meron na siyang ganito and then may isa pa siyang
Chirut Imwe.
ganito. Dalawang Lego buildables yung binigay sa kanya ni Carmela. Binigyan din ni Carmela si Jihon ng Lego buildables. Binigyan din niya si Jihon.
It's one that I already have.
Yun, meron na rin si Brent Nuns. Nakuha na rin niya ng birthday. Yeah. They are getting to know each other. I've known Jamie for 2 years and nagkakilala sila nung birthday party ni Brent. Yun nga, catching up and also they are getting to know each other. Next week, first time ni Carms na sasama sa amin for brunch. Yun, kaka-check ko lang ng vlog ko ay may mga bagong comments na. And may nakita akong comment, organizing video. Please, hey. Yes. Gagawa ako ng separate video how I organize our wardrobe. Makeup, my makeup collection or my vanity. Tapos siguro, interesado rin kayo kung paano kayo organize yung mga toys ni Brent, yung clothes din niya. So cute. Ang cute mo pa ganyan, Brent. You're so sweet.
Ang sweet naman ni Brent.
You're so plastic. Alis. From Ruchen Imaizumi. Sis, asa na yung bata na fan mo noon? Yung sinama niyo pa sa Hong Kong noon. Sis, correction. Hindi namin siya sinama. Isinama niya kami sa Hong Kong noon. Paano ko sasabihin? Kasi, parang dream nung bata. Hindi ko na mention name na makasama ako mag-travel. They are very generous na pati si Alan isinama rin. Hindi ko na alam kung kung kamusta na siya. Hindi na kami nag-uusap. Kasi, to respect their religion, their tradition, meron kasing certain age yung bata na hindi na sila pwede makipaglaro sa lalaki. Kahit na bata pa yan. And, of course, Brent is also growing up. Hindi na sila pwedeng magsama. From Jonah Joyce, curious po ako, paano po kayo nag-meet ni Jamie? Hey, have a nice weekend. Paano kami nag-meet ni Jamie? Nag-meet kami through Instagram. Nagbabrowse siya ng mga posts na nakatag yung, basta around our area. And she came across one of my posts. Nag-browse muna siya sa profile ko. And yung nakita niya yung profile ko nun, yung para dito sa YouTube. Nanood din siya ng ibang YouTube videos ko, pero hindi niya maintindihan kasi nagtatagalog na ako. Minessage niya ako. Nakikipagkaibigan siya. Una pa nga, very hesitant ako kasi ayoko ng, alam mo yun, ng marami lang akong kakilala. Gusto ko kaibigan talaga. And pareho kaming expat. Alam naman natin pagka expat ka, may limit yung time mo dito sa Kuwait. Though kami, matagal na kami dito. Ako, 10 years na. Initially, I thought, sandali lang sila dito. Kasi meron ditong company, yung SK ba yun? I forgot what company is it. May mga Koreans na nag-work doon na, I think, 2 or 4 years lang nag-i-stay dito sa Kuwait and then they moved back. Sabi ko, ayoko kasi ng short-term friendship. Paano kapag ka nagkasundo kami and then I get attached to her and then bigla na lang siya mag-move back sa South Korea, yung mga ganun, ayoko. And then sabi nga niya, no, iba, hindi sila sa SK nag-work and also they are planning to stay here for long. Tapos, sabi niya, malapit yung puso niya sa mga Pinoy kasi nag-aral din siya before sa Cebu. Familiar siya sa culture ng mga Pilipino. Kaya parang, sige, there's no harm in trying. So, ayun, nag-meet kami, nag-brunch kami sa Coffee Bean. And the rest is history. Every week, we have this brunch. Nagka-catch up kami. We're talking about life. Basically, our struggle of being a stay-at-home mom in Kuwait. Kaya hindi rin ako masyadong nag-vlog eh. Kasi nga, once a week lang kami nagkikita. Very personal pa, very private pa yung pinag-uusapan namin. Kaya hindi ako napag-vlog kapag kasama ko siya. Recently lang talaga, as in, konti lang, sadali ko lang siyang pinakita. Ayun, ang haba na ng sinabi ko. Basta yun. And then, finally nga, nagkakalala na sila ni Carmela. Carmela naman, kilala ko na siya 9 years. Sila yung mga ka-close ko dito sa Kuwait. From Liz Cuico. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko ng last name? Sorry kung na-mispronounce ko. Always love your OOTV. Thank you so much. And yeah, I am the same. Respecting privacy, especially if they are very private person because not everyone wants to be in the vlog. Strap ng food. Yeah, nakuha mo. Not everyone wants to be in the vlog. Itong pag-vlog ko, I am exposing myself to trolls, to haters, to criticism. Mahirap yun. Ayoko rin naman na i-expose sila ng walang permission. Diba? From Mary Joy Garcia, ganda ng outfit mo. I like it. Thank you for the appreciation. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko to before. Pero kasi, gusto ko kasi paglalabas ako, yung maayos yung itsura ko, presentable ako. Kasi, ayoko nung, ano ba yun, yung parang maakuha sila ng maipipintas. Hindi sa akin eh. Kay Alan. Kasi nga, diba, housewife ako. Ayoko naman sabihin, ayan, parang nalosyang nasa iin. Hindi yata marunong mag-alaga yung asawa. Alam mo yun, kasi nagre-reflect sa partner natin yung kung ano yung pre-represent natin sa ibang tao. I want to show them na I'm well taken care of din. Minsan, kapag ka stay-at-home mom ka na, kapag housewife ka na, we tend to get comfortable. Hindi yung pinabayaan yung sarili. More of comfortable ka na sa appearance mo. More of contented ka na. Na parang, okay na yan, okay na to. Which is, ayoko ma-feel yung contentment, yung maging komportable ako. gusto ko yung nag-effort pa rin ako para sa sarili ko, sa appearance ko. And syempre, ang sarap din nung yung pinupuri ka. Kahit na housewife ako, naalagaan ko yung mag-ama ko. Maski yung sarili ko, naalagaan ko rin. From Lido de la Cruz, Abangers here. Hey, tagal ko nag-wait ang vlog 220. Hi! Hello! Have a nice weekend and thank you for watching and for being on Abanger. Oh, what time na? It's 11:46. Sige, edit ko na tong vlog ko na to. Yeah, para ma-upload ko na. Para itong week naman na to, meron akong 2 vlogs na na-upload. Hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.